what is trending in CSEC Math. Well, not this specifically. It's more like this angle here. The internal angle on a regular shape. Do you know what the angle on a regular hexagon is, a six-sided figure? You probably know what it is for a triangle. A regular triangle, all sides equal, this angle should be 60 degrees. And you probably know that this guy is a square, and that the angle here would be 90. Let's talk a bit about that. Based on the trends, I estimate 100% chance of this showing up in your exams. So let's collect these maths. These are the three things we're going to talk about. What is a regular shape? Finding out about external angles. What is even external angles and internal angles? Let's go. Regular shape. This is the definition. It's basically a shape, a polygon, where all the sides are equal. Not only the sides, also the interior angles are equal. That's why this is regular, this square, and this, you know what this is called, right? This is regular. You can put it in the comments. So we have many different types of triangles. We have this guy, the isosceles, which I did a video about recently. We have this guy where all the sides are equal, which is what you'll have to put in the comments. We have right angle triangles. We have scalene triangles. No side equal, no angle equal. So this is a regular triangle. Starts with E, right? We have many different types of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral means a four-sided figure. We have trapeziums, parallelogram, kites, rectangle. Well, the regular version to a quadrilateral is called a square. All the four sides are equal and the angles inside there equal the internal angles. This is the internal angle. It's actually equal to 90. And of course there are other types of quadrilaterals. Name a quadrilateral, write it in the comment below. Come up with another name for another type of quadrilateral there. So what is an exterior angle? Watch this, people. To get an exterior angle, you need to find one of the sides of the shape, lengthen it like this. This is the nearly say it. I don't want to say it, let I write it. This is the regular triangle, and if I extend one of these sides, pretend that's the straightest line you ever see, and I connect another side like this, that angle there, that's the exterior angle. So if I lengthen this side, it must be in line with it, and the angle that it makes with another side, that's it. Not the angle that it makes with this side, that will always be 180 degrees, that making sense. The angle that it makes with the adjacent side. So if I lengthen this, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure. So you know what we're gonna call that? Pentagon. That angle, that's the exterior. Now, if I lengthen this, I can't do like that, right? So lengthen this like this way, this angle here. That's our exterior angle. And if you notice the exterior angles, watch this, did you notice? They're getting smaller and smaller. Boom, bang, bang, bang. They're getting smaller the more sides that I have. 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. I can tell you the value of these angles. This angle is 120 degrees. This angle is obviously 90 degrees. This angle over here is 72 degrees. And this angle here, more things to put in the comments. I'll leave that one for you to do. So you all get the exterior angle. Now, how do I know this? There's actually a formula for finding the exterior angle. So we now reach to the core part of this video here. And this is what you need to memorize. The formula for finding the exterior angle. Side note. In school, your teacher might give you the formula for the interior angle. You don't really need to know a formula for the interior angle. I'll show you why just now. You just need the formula for the exterior angle. This one's simpler. So it's 360 degrees, like 360 degrees in a circle, and N. And what do you think N stands for? Kavita, what do you think N stands for here? N doesn't stand for no. N stands for number of sides. So that's the number of sides on the shape. So you're just going to substitute the number of sides, 360 divided by that number, and you'll have the angle. Let's test it out. For the square, 4 sides, 360 divided by 4. You know 4 right angles make 360 degrees, so that's 90 degrees, which is correct. 360 degrees divided by 3 for this regular triangle, which you'll have to tell me the name of. And we get 120 degrees. 3 goes into 36 12 times, probably 0, 120 degrees. That's our pentagon, and let's divide that by 5. How much is 360 divided by 5, ladies and gentlemen? 5 goes into 36 7 times, remainder 1, 5 goes into 10, 2 times the answer is 72 degrees. That's the value of that. And this one, well, remember, I left this for you to figure out, but now you can. Now you have a sure way to figure out what is the value of that angle. We nearly finished. Now we're going to collect any marks in the exam with this last piece of this slide here. Remember, I told you don't need a formula for the interior angle. All you need to do is use this eye there. Once we know the exterior angle, like we just figured out that this is 72 degrees, if we magnify that area there, we have this 72 degrees here, and that's a straight line, buddy. You see it? The angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So all you have to do to find the interior angle is 180 degrees minus theta, which is the exterior angle. 180 degrees minus that, so we get 108 degrees. We can now find the interior angle on any regular polygon. So knowing this little thing, that's a straight line, so 180 degrees minus the exterior angle, and knowing your formula, and you're almost guaranteed 2 marks in your exam. Well, we had to build it mark by mark, so don't feel bad that it's just 2 marks. And we have the multiple choice, which might be another 1 or 2 marks just knowing this information. So we're doing trends. That's what I'm doing this year. This is trending now. I'm looking at all the... Why my hand like this? But this is trending right now, this topic, so it's probably going to show up again. And all the other trending topics in the last 5 years that the exam is evolving into, I'll be doing it in a series. I'll be posting it on our social media platforms. So stay tuned, subscribe, press like, tell your friends. Love and blessings.